Want to build a supplier spend analysis dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our supplier data into Bricks. Simply upload your file and the import completes instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our data, identifying key patterns in supplier spending, payment terms, and regional distribution. The system intelligently creates 6 powerful chart widgets, including spend distribution by payment terms, total spend by category, monthly trends, and top suppliers by spend, plus 2 comprehensive data tables for detailed analysis. And there we have it, our complete supplier spend analysis. Dashboard is ready. The AI automatically generated the perfect title and layout. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's explore presentation mode, perfect for executive meetings and stakeholder presentations. This clean, distraction-free view highlights our key metrics beautifully, making it easy to tell the story behind our supplier spending data. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through all our interactive charts and tables, each one providing deep insights into our procurement performance. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.